In this lecture, I want to give you a quick preview of Google Bard as a large language model and show you how powerful of a tool Google Bard can be when it comes to extracting information using conversational AI, specifically in the use case when working with the internet and live data, which is not essentially available in ChatGPT in the base model. So I'll start with a very simple prompt and I'm going to ask Bard to help me plan a trip. So my prompt is, let's plan a trip to Smoky Mountains National Park near Atlanta. Can you write me a 3-day plan which focuses on outdoor activities? So I told it the place, I referenced it which big city it is close to, and I said write me a 3-day trip plan which focuses on outdoor activities. Let's see what the algo says. So it came back with a plan with essentially links attached as well that takes you to different information and photos as well. So start your day with a hike to Klingsman's Dome. In the afternoon, Kate's Cove. In the evening, do this. Day 2, visit this place, then visit this place, then visit this place. Day 3, let's visit this place. Not a bad plan. Let's continue on from there. Can you tell me some of the longest hikes in Smoky Mountain that I can go to? So now I'm asking another specific question related to Smoky Mountains about hikes. So let's see if we can grab that information and provide the data to us. And it came back with some responses. This one is 71 miles. This is the third highest peak in the Smokies. Grotto Falls Trail, Klingman's Dome, great. Okay, which will be the best town to book an Airbnb in that is close drive from Smoky Mountains? Now I changed the question to, I want to book an Airbnb, tell me the place where I should book it. The first option is Glattenburg, the second is Pigeon, Sevierville, Cherokee, Bryson City. Okay, so these are all the towns that are close to this place and it's giving me examples. Okay, can you tell me the price range for a 1-bedroom apartment Airbnb in month of September that I should keep in mind for my trip when planning expenses? And now it came back and provided me approximate prices for different locations. Book early, be flexible, and some notes that I can use when I'm booking my tickets. What do I want to do next? Next, I want to ask it if what will be the weather during September. And it's smart enough to know that I'm referring to Smoky Mountain weather and I don't need to specifically mention it, and now it gave me the weather conditions. Okay, can you plan me the 3-day trip again in tabular format and include a very long hike in it on day 2? So now I'm getting again very specific about what type of data I wanted to extract and what type of trip I want. I specifically said on day 2 out of 3 days I want to go to a big hike. So now it would have given us that information in a tabular format. Now I can say extract response and I will have the data in Docs or Gmail as I wanted. So this was just a brief introduction to how powerful ChatGPT can be Bard can be as a conversational AI in terms of specifically customized, personalized answers from the internet. This was a very practical, personal use case for a day trip planning, but in the course, we will figure out other techniques of prompting and how it can be applied to a lot of different aspects. In the next quick preview video, I'll show you how the same concept can be applied to programming and how fast can Bard code for you when it will write the code, extract code from different sources, extract data from different sources, and then plot a few graphs for us without us writing a single line of code. We will just provide the prompts. All the coding will be done by Bard.